Alarm contacts provide warning signals. Alarm contact 3SB71JR usage example. Connect 3SB71JR to the circuit breaker. Through the internal connection hole of the circuit breaker, upper and lower connection holes. Handle connection holes to connect. Test after installation. Ensure the alarm contacts work properly. Test whether the buzzer is working properly. Connect a buzzer to determine the contact status. Determine contact location 959698. When the circuit breaker is in the open state, contact 9596 is in closed state, 9598 is in open state. Connect the buzzer to the contacts 9596 buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 9598 buzzer does not alarm. Close the circuit breaker. Contact don't move 9598 is in open state. Connect the buzzer to contacts 9596 buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 9598 buzzer does not alarm. Installation conclusion. The contacts are closed normally, and the alarm contacts are working normally.